Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
Yeah, two of my favorite things in the world, the blue 69 Camaro SS, L78, 396, 375 horsepower, frame-off restored car, and my grandson Maverick. This car here has been off-frame restored, all period correct, genuine L78 motor with the big hump heads, the aluminum intake, it's stamped, dated, and coated, an L78, a rebuilt 4-speed. It's a really nice car. I'm telling you, in person, this one's exceptional. Go to volocars.com and you can look at all the pictures and read the description. That's where you find price tags along with the monthly finance payments at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Now join us and let's go for a spin. So this is a 1969 Camaro. The cowl tag says X22 for SS396. Lemans blue, code 71. Letter A for the white vinyl top. I'm not always a big fan of the vinyl tops. I think it looks amazing on this car. And again, it's a period correct driveline. Underneath the car, they took the body off the frame. Every component was taken apart. Painted, sandblasted, replaced, whatever, but it's all the steering, suspension, bushings, ball joints, springs, shocks, front and back. It's all been redone. New subframe body bushings. The bottom of the car is a smooth, clean black. All the pinch welds, the rocker moldings, the inner quarters, all nice and clean, dry metal. Brake system was all rebuilt. Disc in front. New lines, e-brake system, fuel system's been replaced, tank, the sending unit, the correct dual exhaust with the transverse. It's a sideways muffler with the right tailpipes, with the slash cut tailpipes. It is a stainless steel muffler, so it'll last a long time. You look up at the bottom of the motor, the Chevy orange is immaculate. Starter looks fresh. It is an Autodyne Muncie 4-speed. Autodyne rebuilds them. It looks brand new, literally. All the linkage and all the components on it look new. Rebuilt drive shaft, 12-bolt rear end with a 373 gear in it. So underneath the car literally looks new. It's restored completely stock. It's fresh. It's detailed. It's done right. The body appears to be really sharp. And again, the colors I think are just amazing. But the actual body, got the SS hood fitting perfectly square and flush. There's no dents. The fender is mint. It's all excellent, smooth, fits real nice, no issues at all. This has the exterior trim package. That's the louvers, wheel well moldings, and rain gutter trim. Excellent body, no dents, no waves, no bubbles. It all fits real nice. You got spoilers, you got bumper guards. This side is as good as the other side. Really, no issues. The line is right on the money. No bubbles, no issues. A few little chips on the edge of the door. And there's one up here that's been touched up. But the actual body, no issues with the body that I could see. Now the paint is laid out beautifully. It has really nice metal flake, and it's uniform. It's not blotchy, or there's no mismatched panels. The paint is laid out really nice, and it's polished to a smooth, glossy finish. You have the hockey stick stripe that's actually painted on. You can barely even feel it, and they do have the correct dimensions. So many times a guy messes that up, and I couldn't live with that. The grille. The black SS grille, bumper guards, spoilers, lenses, all that stuff up there looks great. The ice cube trays they look brand new. They're sparkling. Windshield probably been replaced. wiper arms, stainless trim, all that's real nice. Emblems, mirrors, door handles, they've been replaced. The white vinyl top is excellent. The rear window, very good original, does have light scratches. Yeah, so there you have it. Drop dead gorgeous car. I didn't talk about the wheels. They're 15-inch rally wheels, nice trim, BF Goodrich tires. Car has a nice stance, a little bit lower in front. So yeah, the outside speaks for itself. It's as good in person. Why don't we look inside? See what a 1969 Camaro trunk looks like. Well, first of all, the paint is beautiful. The jam weather strip is replaced. There's a new rubber mat in here. It's very neatly spatter painted. It does have a painted rim. It's got a painted or new jack. Got a good tire for a spare. So you got a nice clean trunk compartment. Wheels are a little bit wider than they would have been. They look good. So the door jambs are really nice. Bottom of the doors are dry. Weather strips are replaced. This is the deluxe houndstooth interior. That's a deluxe door panel with the big molded armrest. And that's in excellent shape. The deluxe also would have the wood grain trim all across the dash and on the console, which this has. This has quite a few options. It's a tilt. You have a clock with quartz movement. It's actually working. You have the tachometer. You have the console with the gauges. And all this is in great shape. The dash pad is new. The heater control panel has been replaced. You got new cigarette lighter and ashtray. The light works in here. Glove box liner's new. The vents are all real nice. Grab handle. Center console looks like it's mint. You got the Hurst shifter with the chrome ball. A retro stereo fits right in the factory location. And then you got the houndstooth seats. According to the tag, that's what it came with. It's a black houndstooth deluxe interior. The cushions are good, the springs are good, and it's reupholstered. The new headrests. The back seat's really nice, reupholstered, new side panels, complete set of GM seat belts, front and back. The rear speaker tray, the mesh tray is excellent. All the trim is real nice. Headliner, tight as a drum. Visors, mirror, all look new. Dome light works. So I'm going to call the interior excellent. Even the light at the back of the console I just noticed is working. A pretty car. This would be a keeper. Can't keep them all, but this would be a keeper. So the code on the front of the engine is JD. That is a 1969 396 375 horsepower motor. I can tell it runs and sounds like a 375 horse. It also has the big square port heads. You can tell by the hump right here on the head. Those are the square port heads. This has the GM Winters Snowflake logo, so that's a GM aluminum intake. It also has deep groove pulleys, which the high performance motors came with solid lifters, so the belts don't fly off at high RPMs. You can see everything's detailed, GM hoses and clamps. You got the right valve covers, air cleaner, distributor, the fuel line, dual feed Holley, correct exhaust manifolds. So everything in here is proper. You got a Delco battery topper with the spring clamp cables. They did upgrade the radiator. It's an aluminum radiator. It does have the shroud. It's got the horns, got the washer bottles hooked up. Cadmium plated brake booster, master, all that's replaced. That's the trim tag. There's a picture on our website, but you can look at the codes on our website. Got new hood insulation. So I'm going to call this a detailed engine compartment, and it looks factory. And again, it's a real 375 horse engine sitting there. I really like this car. There isn't anything about this car I don't like. The quality, the colors, the setup, excellent car. Again, I would keep this one. So go to volocars.com before someone, including myself, beats you to it. Talk to the salesman. I just gave you my impression. If you have questions or concerns, they can help you. They can help with the delivery, the financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you can be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.